A great feature in QuickBooks is that you don't have to clutter up your customer center if you have a lot of leads. And it's very easy to convert a lead into a customer. To get started working with leads, select Customers from the top of the screen and then choose Lead Center. In the Lead Center, you'll see that I have some leads here already, and it will match up with your exercise file if you're following along at home. You can type information and manage leads without having to have them in the customer center. In fact, the two leads that I have here have similar information to what you'd find in the customer center. I can add contacts, I can see locations, and I can even add notes about that particular lead. I can also see what the status is of a particular lead. To create a new one, on the top left-hand side of the screen, choose New Lead. From here, you can type in the name of your lead. You can also choose the status, whether it's a hot, warm, or cold lead. You can enter in as much or as little as you like. For example, the company name, website, email address, and location, such as a physical address. The only required information for a lead is a name and a location. If you change to the Contacts tab, you can see additional contacts and add them after the first one by clicking Add Another Contact at the bottom of the screen. When you're done creating your lead, click the blue OK button, and your lead will appear in the Lead Center. At any time, you can access the Lead Center by clicking Customers from the top of the screen and choosing Lead Center. It's very easy to convert a lead to an actual customer. I have a restaurant in here, and they're ready to become a customer as we're going to start delivering olive oil to them regularly. So I'll select them in the Lead Center, and on the top right-hand side, I'll click the icon that says Convert this lead to a customer. It's going to ask me if I'm really sure. I'll say yes. And after that, it opens up in the Customer Center, and here they are. It's brought them over, they're now a real customer, and the information has been carried over. You don't have to do any more entering of the information. So this is how you can work with your leads to keep them completely separate from your customers so it doesn't clutter up the list, and then very easily bring them over once they're a real customer.